Hello everyone, this is Shane Norman with Graco, and today I'm going to show you how to change the trigger in your PM Series meter. Now, you may be wondering why you have to change the trigger. You'll change the trigger if it's not functioning properly with the preset mechanism. There are a couple of reasons why that may happen. One is there is a small roller on the trigger assembly that could wear over time. Another reason could be that it took a very hard side impact directly on the trigger during operation or while the technician was retracting the meter to its resting place. If that happens, it could bend the trigger and then it would not function properly with the preset mechanism. The tool we need today is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. And we're going to start by removing the 2 screws and washers on the sides of the trigger. And now with the 2 screws removed, we can take the trigger off of the cam. So just pry that off with your hand and remove the trigger. So with your new trigger assembly, you first start by bringing the trigger underneath the meter. And then you see there are 2 flats on the cam that need to line up with the trigger. Okay, once they are aligned, we'll set the meter on its side, screw and washer. We'll reinstall one of the screws and washers. And we'll flip the meter over and install the other screw and washer. Now you need to make sure that the trigger assembly stays in line with the grooves on the cam. Tighten firmly. And then double check to make sure that the trigger is functioning and latches on the preset mechanism. And that's how you change the trigger on your PM Series meter.